All right, everybody. Hello, welcome to another traveling Costa Rica video. Today we're in Puntarenas. We're going to be doing a walk and talking tour right over there at the main sign there in Puntarenas. It's pretty cool. There's a big event going on or something like that. We're here on a Friday in February. We're going to be doing showing you guys around here. But before we begin, as always, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. And as always, leave me a comment with your questions, feedback, requests. Leave me a comment. Let me know where you're watching from. Watching the traveling videos here in Costa Rica. But before we begin walking, let's talk about how to get here to Puntarenas.
So if your vacation in Costa Rica brings you through Puntarenas, you'll probably land right here in San Jose at the international airport. There you'll get your rental car, airport transfer, or you can take a bus out to Puntarenas. You're heading west either way. This highway right here is the paid highway, that Highway 27. The other ones are not paid. So you're coming here and everything kind of brings you here to El Robel. And you're going to head out. This is a really nice drive here now. This is all new kind of stuff. And then you're heading through into Puntarenas, and it's a point. Now to get down to the beach, you kind of head down along this Avenida Dos and Avenida Cuatro here.
And then you will end up right here at the area, the tourist area. So this is cool. I don't know what's going on. I haven't been to Puntarenas in a couple years. It's been a minute. I'm going to walk through this. I don't know if I'm allowed to. I don't know what's going on. It's better to ask forgiveness than permission, as they say. So there's the Puntarenas sign. We're going to go check out the water over there, the ocean. I don't know what's going on. It's pretty cool. I'm getting dripped on. I'm getting all wet here. Let's go this way. We'll come back here after. Look at this. I'm getting damp. Guys, we're doing a moto tour here in Costa Rica. We're going to be doing a bunch of videos. You're going to see a series of videos. We're going to do the ferry tomorrow, I think, and then head up through Guanacaste, do some beaches around there. I got a request to do a video in Tambor, I think. I'm going to try to get there. Guys. So this area right here is Paseo de Turistas, or Turisticos. It's the tourist area. So there's a bunch of vendors here selling everything you can imagine. I just had casado in one of these spots. You're going to see Churchill. Where is the sign that says "We love Churchill"? Churchill, I guess, is the ice refreshment. It's like ice with condensed milk on it. So I just had a casado in there. It was very delicious. So this, guys, is heading back towards, the main road coming in to Puntarenas goes that way. It looked pretty new. Actually, I should mention, I got a comment saying you should check out Puntarenas because everything's looking new there. And the road coming in actually looked very new. It's pretty cool. There's some vendors for sweets. I'm going to try to not eat sweets on this trip, guys. That's my goal. I'm going to try to lose some weight on this goal and just starve myself. But I am on the hunt for tobacco, as always. Hold on. Here's some cool floaty stuff. I need that, man. I can't swim very good. I can't swim real good, balls. There's all the floaty things. So my understanding of Puntarenas is that it used to be the actual port town here, the Pacific of Costa Rica. And now it's in Caldera. So Caldera is just like, go back that way, probably about 20 minutes. And then you're in Caldera. And that's where all the ports are. That's where all the big ships land. And there's a bunch of shipping container areas around there. Now Puntarenas, as I understand it, is more just like people come here to hang out on the weekends, and this is where the ferry is. So just to give you guys kind of reference as to where we are, the ferry, like Puntarenas goes further down, probably a kilometer that way, this road, and then it wraps around and it's this big long island. So the ferry is down that way. So tomorrow I'm going to try to go get the tickets today and then see about tomorrow taking the ferry. Now here's what's going on over here. We got some kind of multi-directional cannonball situation. That's all right. I like that. That's a good photo right there. Nailed it. Let's go this way. We're doing this live, guys. We don't really have a plan on these videos. We just kind of do it live. I know it's getting windy down here by the beach. So there's the beach of Puntarenas. And the pathway, we'll walk down there in a second. We'll go check it out. Here's a nice little area. So yeah, if you're coming, guys, to Costa Rica and you land in San Jose and you're heading up into like the Nicoya kind of peninsula there, Samara, those areas there, you can definitely jump on the ferry. And the ferry is pretty cool too, because if you like rent a car and you just want to do a boat trip and integrate a boat trip into your travel plans, regardless, you can do the ferry. On the ferry, I think twice, maybe once or twice before. So actually, okay, this is pretty cool in here. So we can see, that's where I just came from over there. I'm going to zoom in. Let's test the zoom on this camera. That's Caldera way over there. You can see all those huge boats just staging. So that's where I just came from on the moto. It's hot. It's hot. And there's the beach. So you can see the water here is not particularly clear, right? Like, a lot of people go swimming here. And I think cruise ships like land here and dump people off. I think that's why all this stuff is here, all this tourist stuff. I don't know what this building is. There's a map of Puntarenas, actually. Let's go check that out. That seems pretty cool. How convenient we see a map in the travel video. Okay. So we've got, what do we got here? We've got, oh, there's a bunch. So this is cool. So if you land here on a cruise or you just come here, it shows you all the different buildings you can check out. So what's number 9? Faro de Puntarenas. That's the lighthouse there. Yeah. And then we're like right over here somewhere right now. Yeah, so that's pretty much how Puntarenas is laid out, guys. You come in from that direction, you drive down the main strip, and that's where the ferry is right there. So we'll try to get on that ferry tomorrow, assuming they let me. I mean, I got the BC moto, you know. Nice view too. So the ferry goes out across there, and I believe what we're looking at over there is like, that's Puntarenas province, but it's at the south end of Guanacaste province. So the whole Guanacaste like peninsula at the very bottom is Puntarenas, the province, in case you were wondering. So you can see people out here swimming. That's nice. And I saw pictures on some Facebook groups of Puntarenas like from a long time ago, maybe in the 70s or something like that. And the beach seemed like super busy. In my understanding, correct me if I'm wrong, but the roads north and south from Puntarenas were just mortifyingly bad. You're not in good condition, and you know, they could like destroy your car if you didn't go slow. So everybody from San Jose would like come here to Puntarenas. This was like the beach, and then with the development of all the roads, now a lot more beaches are accessible. So that's pretty cool. It's my understanding, guys. I'm not a history expert. I'm pretty sure that's a ferry right there. Pretty sure that's a ferry going across. I don't know which one that is. There's a new one. I'm gonna try to get on the new one. I want to be on the new one. I want to see the new picture of the new one. So that's how the ferry goes. So honestly, if you're coming here and you want to just do a boat, and I'll get the prices for the video tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. Hit the bell. Hit the bell to see the updated videos as we do this trip. So we get all the prices, where to buy the tickets and stuff like that. So now we're getting back into the fiesta. It's quite the party, and it looks like there's a little amphitheater over there. Man, I haven't been here in so long, I kind of forget. I kind of forget what everything is. Lots of shade down here on the beach with the trees. So there's music here, so I might not get too close because then the music will just overwhelm the microphone a bit. That's where you go if you want to take your sign of Puntarenas. So, and it appears that this event is sponsored by Claro, which is a cell phone service provider in Costa Rica. And I think they are also other places too. Maybe Panama or something, I don't know. There's something going on here, I like it. It's not for me, man. I got tinnitus. I can't be like around loud noises. Oh, okay. Nice, cell phones. That's what I'm filming this video on, just a cell phone, of all things. There's some kind of DJ and there's stuff going on here, dude. I'm intrigued, but not enough to walk over there, to be honest. Oh, there's more stuff where there's vendors over here. All right, that's fun. This looks like a little, I don't know what would happen here. It looks like Shakespeare, where art thou, Shakespeare? Like, you know, like that kind of thing. I don't know, man. What's going on down this way? So we're not in this video. I actually forgot, right? And this video, I was like, oh, I'll walk to the lighthouse from here. But I looked in at the map and I was like, that would be a very, very long video. Of just walking. So this looks fun. Here's a bunch of clothing. There's vendors down here. And there is a giant slide. We've got to go look at this giant slide. I am just, and it's just inflatable, is it? It's a big one. There's no kids on it though. That's huge. It's humongous. And all the uprights are inflatable. I don't know if I've ever seen one that big that's just inflatable. Some souvenirs. Alrighty. Let's go check out the beach one more time. Why not? There you go. There's the beach. Oh, and Pizza Hut. I think Pizza Hut's been featured in like the last 10 videos we've done here walking around Costa Rica. I don't think it would be complete unless we see a KFC or a McDonald's. Where's the KFC or McDonald's at? How do you even get up there? Whew, man, that looks hard. That looks like cardio just to get up there. Imagine if one kid just tumbles down. It's dangerous. So this is interesting. It looks like they're refacing this building. Like when I came into Puntarenas, like the road was really actually, I thought it had been improved quite a bit. It looked almost new. And Costa Rica is like doing a lot of infrastructure development around the country. So people are like, oh, it's expensive here. You know what? I think they're just, you know, they're taking your money, but they're making it more convenient to get around, right? And it works for the local people too, right? The people from these towns are getting nicer roads, more easeful access to beaches and everything like that in towns. I like what I'm seeing in Costa Rica. I mean, I'm not the expert, but I like what I'm seeing. It looks like a nice little restaurant right there. Cool, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that walking tour here in Puntarenas province, the capital of Puntarenas province. Tomorrow, I anticipate being on one of those boats. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit like, hit subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you get more videos from this tour, this moto tour here in Costa Rica. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.